April 17. You already know what it is. Stains be gone, pulling up again. Yeah. Fred called me up, said come do your thing. Pulled up quick, yeah, we bring that clean game. 8 areas deep, yeah, that ain't no thing. Stains be gone. Watch the carpets change. Phone rang early, yeah, my friend on the line. Said, bro, I need you, got these stains looking wild. I said, say less, we on the way right now. Truck mounted up, yeah, we shut it down, yeah. Walk through first, yeah, we check every spot. Pre-vacuum clean, get the dirt out the knots. Pre-spray hitting, got the fibers woke. CRB brush, yeah, we breaking it loose. Crack corner extract, now the magic begin. Watch them stains disappear, now they looking brand new again. Frack called me up, said come do your thing. Pulled up quick, yeah, we bring that clean game. 8 areas deep, yeah, that ain't no thing. Stains be gone. Watch the carpets change. Andre on the one, yeah, he moving real smooth. Lines looking crispy, like a fresh pair of shoes. Pet stains gone, odors out the door. Home on a shock like y'all did this before. We don't cut corners, we clean them for real. Every edge, every base, yeah, we seal the deal. Doors protected, home respected, that's the code. When we leave your spot, it's a whole new mode. 8 areas done, and we still got time. The stains be gon' touch, yeah, it's one of a kind. Heard me, Frank called me up, said come do your thing. Pulled up quick, yeah, we bring that clean game. 8 areas deep, yeah, that ain't no thing. Stains be gone. Watch the carpets change. Fayetteville to Hope Mills, yeah, we everywhere. If your car